Hey everybody, this is Erica, the technology nerd who likes to film stuff, and I just want to do a fun unboxing today. It feels kind of obligatory. Here we have the product red iPhone 8. Notice I don't have the iPhone 8 Plus. I'm kind of boycotting the fact that Apple did not release a red iPhone 10. I already have an iPhone 8 Plus, so I figured I'd just get this little guy, unbox it, and use it as a backup phone. And if you've noticed here, I also have a plethora of red things. Red is my absolute favorite color. If you want to impress me, get me something red, and I will love you long time. So let's unbox it. We'll compare it to some other red things, and then I want to go out and see it in all its glory. Get some pretty shots of it. Hopefully the weather will permit. Let's get unboxing. All right, so we've got this convenient little pull tab. Actually just got myself the 64 gigabyte lowest version of the phone. Like I said, I already have an iPhone 10 and an iPhone 8 Plus in the highest capacity. So here we have the nice box, and it's actually very similar looking to the product red iPhone of last year, except for you see that we've got this little glare across, indicating that it's glass and not aluminum. Unfortunately, I don't have this one with me to compare because my mom called dibs on it and her phone went wacko crazy. So she has it now. So now lifting up the lid, we are immediately met with some documentation. Let's go ahead and pull that up. And right underneath, we see immediately the black face. Now people are making a pretty big deal out of this because people were not happy with the white face on the iPhone 7 Plus last year. But I honestly thought that the white looked really nice with the red. I thought it was kind of bright and cheery looking. So let's go ahead and turn it over and start pulling this off. I think one of the most satisfying things in the world is pulling these plastic films off. All right. And wow, that color comes across very, very true and very, very deep. Let's just set this aside for 1 second and show everything else that's in the box. Everything you guys already know is this is the same unboxing experience as per usual. So we've got some earbuds, the charging cable, and the charging brick. Oh, and also the adapter there on the back. So when comparing the red pigment that's underneath the glass, comparing it to aluminum, this is the OnePlus 5T, you can just see how much deeper you can get the color. And OnePlus did a pretty good job as it was, but this is definitely red. Here we've got some red Switch controllers. This was for the release of Super Mario Odyssey, and you can see that it's even deeper of a red here. And I'm really happy that the back isn't going to get easily marred up looking because it's glass and the pigment is underneath and the Apple logo is underneath the glass as well. And so is the product red iPhone logo too. So I'm not so worried about scratching up that red and getting it to not look as nice. Definitely not as scared as I am with anodized aluminum. And here we have the Pokeball Edition new 2DS XL that people say looks like an iPhone right here. And sure, a little bit. Especially with that red frame that goes around. So the red frame on here is anodized aluminum. And I think that they've done a pretty good job color matching it to the back. So I hope that comparing all these different reds kind of shows you just how deep and true this looks. And then we've got my PS Vita, which is more of a sparkly, metallic looking, deep orangey color. It's supposed to be red. But red versus not red. This is definitely red. And then we've got my custom painted metallic candy apple red Switch. And interestingly, this is actually almost the same color. This is just a little bit lighter. It's a little darker here. So after looking at the Switch and looking at the sides of this phone, I really wish that the back would have had a bit of a metallic sheen to it. I think it would have really made it pop. This looks just a little bit flat. So let's start this baby up and then go and take it out and about and take a peek at it outside. You really can't tell truly what color something is until you see it in several different types of lighting situations. Now this phone was really hard to film because it's quite dark maroon looking unless you're in really great lighting. But when the light hits it just right, it really pops. I think the most stunning part of this phone is where that red anodized aluminum hits that black front. So I really think they did it a disservice by not having the back be shimmery as well. Still, it's quite something, and if you want to stand out with this, you definitely will. So that's that. This is a very beautiful phone. I know a lot of people are going to be very, very happy with it. And of course, this is a Product Red phone, so it says, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. So if you're going to drop a bunch of money on a phone, you couldn't support a better cause. So let me know what you guys think about this color and if you agree with me, if it should be nice and shimmery like we have with the Galaxy S9s. So this has been Erica, the Technology Nerd, likes to film stuff. Please rate, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos. And I know I have not been uploading very much lately. I've been very ill. It turns out I have copper toxicity in my blood, and we're trying to fix that. I'm going to be okay. I'm getting treatment for it now, so we know about it. We're just looking for the source of what's causing it. But I'm going to be fine. So hang in there. Please be patient with me. I've got my Galaxy S9 1 month later review coming out next week. So hang tight. Have a good day, you guys. Bye!